very good morning to all the parents. My name is S.A. Prabhaharini. My school name is Savadi Corporation Primary School, Kolpadahai. Before starting my speech, let me quote for order. Power is given only to those who dare to lower themselves and pick it up. Only thing that matters is to be able to dare. When you see Superman, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman or any superheroes, there is one thing, there is common among them all. Other than power, any guesses? Usually, this particular quality was ignored by the people who are in power. It is none other than responsibility. Me or any kid of my age, for the matter when question, what will they do if they had superpower? The answer would be, I will fly in the air, I make a chocolate mountain, I go to all the places I want. I am no different from them. And I said same answer to my mom. And she told, dear, parents are take care of you and fulfill your need. There are millions of kids who lost their parents, families, education, food because of violence, disaster, superstition and so on. You should know with great power comes great responsibility. Hence you have to take responsibility and protect the world without being selfish. After that conversation, I was wondering what are all the things if they had negatively impact our world. Unsurprisingly, I ended up having an endless list of causes such as war, caste, disaster, female infanticide, sexual harassment, religious atrocity, child molestation, lack of education. As I said, it was endless. So what power should I need to have to save my people from all this suffering? I could not arrive at a single power which can solve all problems. Suddenly I was changing my old photograph with new one in my diary, the glowed bulb in my brain. The glowed bulb in my brain. Yes, I very superpower. I need to deal with all this problem from all the society is change. Change of attitude, knowledge, value, customs and norms can turn your society upside down. The root cause for all these problems start from our brains, our mindset, false norm we were made to believe in. It's our obsession over the past and our adamantcy against change that break the chain, the result in all the above social problems. I am not blaming our history and ancestors, but context and change. Hence, as superpower, I have ability to make change, using which I will create peace-driven government, avoiding war, a responsible society, take care of the downtrodden, a mature world, treat men or women equally. Finally, people allow the Mother Earth and protect the environment they live. After the changes, there is only one thing that is left to do. That's giving a name and super name. The name would be Ultra Pro Change. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Imaginary superpower. I wish really hard to make this world better place.